Are you losing leg strength? I have some helpful suggestions for you on how to build up those legs. Hi, I'm Lauren Alexander, and as a personal trainer, I've had people ask me what they can do to start strengthening their legs. The best way to begin to build leg muscle strength is to walk. Even if you're only able to walk for a short period of time, do so, and then repeat it again throughout the day. For example, 10 minutes, 3 times per day. Your muscles gain strength with use, and as you gain strength, you'll be able to walk for longer periods of time, for example, 30 minutes or more, at once without stopping to rest. After a while, your muscles get accustomed to the activity, especially if you're accustomed to the same pace and terrain. This means that you have to spice it up a bit to avoid plateau. If outside, try walking on terrain that has a mixture of hills and flat surfaces. If you're using a treadmill, push the up arrow button on your treadmill to make an incline. Walking up hills is great for building leg and abdominal strength because the incline recruits more muscles. You will see that walking at the same pace you normally do, but with an incline, adds more challenge to your legs. This challenge will produce leg strength. Pump your arms and keep your shoulders relaxed. Other exercises that supplement your walking routine include lunges, squats, stair climbing, and bicycling. For example, every other day, perform 50 squats and 30 lunges, and you can do these in sets. If you're not used to doing squats, use a chair to sit down and then stand up, using only your legs and hips and not your arms to push off. And if lunges are not your thing, another option is to step up and down on a box or stair step for 10 to 30 repetitions for each leg. These functional moves challenge the fibers of your muscles to break down, and then while you are resting at night, they heal and rebuild stronger. Stair climber machines and stationary bikes found at most any fitness center or gym help people to strengthen their legs and are even more low impact than walking. The Stairmaster Step Mill is a machine that gives the user the ability to climb a revolving staircase, and it mimics the motion of climbing real stairs. This exercise engages the major muscle groups of the lower body. An indoor stationary bike is a great option when there is inclement weather outside. Choose an interval option, doing hills, to challenge your legs. Or try pedaling fast for 30 seconds and then rest or go at a slower pace for 1 to 2 minutes, and then repeat that for several times. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, muscles only get stronger through use. Make sure to stretch the front and the back of your legs, specifically your hamstrings, calves, quadriceps, and ankles before and after activity. Yes, it takes a few extra minutes, but you will be happy you did because it helps your body to cool down and relax from the exertion, and it helps lengthen the muscles, and it minimizes muscle cramps and stiffness later on. Drink your water right after your workout or walk. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. May God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.